important na prayer ng isang tao is hindi yung, Lord, bigyan mo ako nito. Or Lord, gusto ko ng ganyan. Ang pinaka-important na prayer ng tao is, Lord, ano yung will mo sa buhay ko? Saan mo ko gusto? Kasi maraming pintuan Ton. Maraming pintuan na nagbubukas sa buhay ng isang tao. Pero alin ba dyan yung galing sa Kanya? And paano mo malalaman? Paano? Ang prayer is, kung hindi galing sa'yo, Lord, isara mo. Tama. Isara mo. Alam mo ba kung ilan na, in my 35 years in showbiz, alam mo ba kung ilan na yung mga project na, andyan na, iyon na, biglang nawawala?
Yes.
Alam mo yun?
Yes.
Bakit? Hindi yun sa'yo Kaya kailangan align ka sa Kanya lagi. Kailangan sabihin, everyday ang prayer mo, Lord, your will be done.
Sometimes, God will destroy our plans when He sees that our plans are going to destroy us. Do you get it? Have you ever planned your life and then realizing lahat ng plano mo hindi natuloy? Na-experience nyo na yun, basta pag ganito. Tapos lahat hindi natutuloy. You know why? Because God sees, probably knows, or He doesn't probably, but He knows that what you're planning for yourself is going to eventually destroy you. And we all know that. My plan for you is to give you hope and a future and never to harm you. God always has better plans in our lives. And you know what? If He was able to do it for me, the more He can do it for each and every one of you. Because God doesn't have favorites. We are all His children. We all belong to Him. And if He can answer and fulfill my dreams and my prayers, He can do the same thing with you.